This time on Boneyard Revivals, we take you to an antique farm and equipment show. So today we're going to take you on a little bit of a behind the scenes slash just a lot of other stuff that we're doing. We have an antique tractor show coming up this weekend, and I want to take up some of my my old engines, put on a display. It's a really small show, and every single year I try to get up there and, you know, show off a few engines, help the show, you know, be a little bigger. Got the crew cab all loaded up here. The 20-inch rims have made the return to the crew cab. Just kind of seemed right. I already have a few engines loaded up here. I do have to load a few more up. I think there's 4 in here right now. There's those 2 and then those 2, and then I got another 4 that I gotta get in the truck. So this is actually already loaded from another show that we went to last week. So that's already gone. Basically just hop in this thing and just drive it over there. And then we'll also be taking the old Dodge. Like I said, I'm gonna be throwing some engines in this. And what's really cool about this truck used to be the truck, you know, as a kid that we'd take to all the antique farm shows that we went to and whatnot. Shop Dog Rex. So it was cool. I spent a lot of time, you know, in a car seat right about here, staring out the front windshield with, you know, a trailer on the back and a tractor on the back and, you know, you name it. And so I always told myself when it comes time for me to load stuff up and go to these antique shows, because it's just family tradition, it's what we've always done, this truck is going to be my main rig for doing that. So it's going to be kind of cool today. Crew cab's going to be involved a little bit too. Crew cab's always involved in everything. Most reliable vehicle, and it's the best vehicle I've ever owned. Thanks, John. Shout out to John down at Arcan Customs. All right, engines in the back of the Dodge, and then of course I got engines in the back of the crew cab. It's time to head over there, right? Let's go. Don't you? You make a food that's so good. You know what's in that, right? Well, the old Dodge made it home flawlessly, ran over there and back. no issues. And I even drove it around over there in the parade and stuff. And I'm happy to say that I think we might finally be working all the stuff out of the fuel tank. Yeah, because I put a new filter in it a while ago and it has yet to die. So, and leave me sitting. Super, super happy with this thing. It's so cool to drive this truck. And like I said, that was this truck's first tractor show in 15 plus years. And that's just, that for me, that's so cool. You know, there's such a nostalgic, you know, feeling about hopping in this truck again, driving it down the road, you know, setting up at a tractor show. It's just, there's something really cool about it. And it was just really awesome to get it back out there. The crew cab was flawless as usual. I mean, I said it before, said it again, best truck I own. Thanks, John. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, this was something different, kind of out of left field, but we've dabbled a little bit in the tractors and the old hit and miss engines and stuff like that before. Something that I want to continue in little doses, keep bringing to the channel, kind of get you guys used to it because I love doing this stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time here on Boner Revivals. Get out in the garage, start wrenching on your projects because your dreams will not work unless you do. We'll catch you next time. Take care.